has set a vision for the country, free from poverty, hunger, and disease. And health has a central place in Sustainable Developmental Goal SDG number 3, thriving on healthy lives, promoting well-being for all at all ages. However, some sectors of society are advocating for the need for government to do even more in the sector. A human rights lawyer, Moono Mapani, says despite the country having drawn a blueprint agenda for SDG number 3 and also being a member state of the African Union Health Convention, the community of albinos still find it very hard to access health services. He explains that this is due to the unavailability of the skin cream, essential for the albinos to survive, as the cream is not available in the country's local hospitals. Mr. Mapani says there's need for the cream to be manufactured locally and also made affordable for the albino community.
To the people responsible of running our health sector, that we should never discriminate our brothers and sisters who have skin problems. It's a duty of any or every reasonable government to ensure that the rights of the citizens are respected. And it's a duty of every reasonable government to ensure that its citizens are always in good health. Today I decide again to come to request you, the people in charge of the health sector, to make the skin cream for the albinos available. And it shouldn't only be available, it has to be also affordable.
Meanwhile, the human rights lawyer is also questioning why the Ministry of Home Affairs is infringing on the rights of movement for opposition political party leader for the United Party for National Development, Hakainde Hichilema. He says every Zambian citizen has the right to movement, association, and assembly, and that a hindrance to this is a clear indication of abuse of the Public Order Act.
Why some citizens in this country are not allowed to move or to exercise their freedom of movement, freedom of association, and freedom of assembly. This is unacceptable. Zambia is a party to the International Covenant on Civil and Political Rights. And not only that, Zambia went further to domesticate those rights in our Constitution, which is chapter 3 of our Constitution, of the Bills of Rights. But today we want to make it clear and wanting to find answers why the president of UPND is under house arrest. We have decided to ask this question because here's an individual in his own country is not allowed to move. Why are his rights delegated? And who has the powers to do that? We want to make it clear today that as an individual, regardless of his political affiliation, Mr. Hakainde Hichilema is entitled to his full package of women's rights.
Mr. Moono was speaking to Movie TV News in an interview in Lusaka on the 11th of January 2021. Reporting for Movie TV News, Namangolwa Mundia.